Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I am here with this gorgeous, super fun retro dress from Sureple. This dress is the perfect little black dress really for any time of the year. This dress is a polyester knit and it makes it really comfortable and easy to wear. Because it is sleeveless, it's perfect for summer, especially when you spend a little bit of time inside the cool air conditioning inside. I really like the small triangle cut opening in the front. It's not too low, so this dress really provides a really modest yet fun and flirty look. The waist is tapered directly at the waist, and it has small pleats that make it a really fun twirly dress. It's well sewn and it falls just below the knee on me, and I'm 5'4". I opted for the medium and I'm really happy that I did. It fits perfectly, but it's still a little bit loose, which is a nice comfortable feeling for me. This dress would be perfect with sandals or dressier with heels. And what I really like about it is that it will easily transition into cooler weather because of that polyester knit fabric. You could throw a jacket or a sweater over this and it will be absolutely perfect. I love the simplicity of this little black dress, and they have lots of other fun colors and combinations as well. If you're looking for a comfortable yet very cute retro style dress, this is the one for you, and that's my point of view.